Discover the ultimate collector's dream. The 1968 Dodge Charger RTR is a rare and exclusive Restomod that combines classic style, modern technology, and breathtaking performance. Is this the ultimate muscle car experience? A legendary muscle car reimagined, the 1968 Dodge Charger RTR is a jaw-dropping fusion of classic American muscle and cutting-edge modern performance. The unmistakable fastback silhouette, aggressive stance, and roaring powertrain make it an icon that refuses to fade into history. But what sets this RTR version apart from the legendary original? Let's explore its evolution, modifications, interior, and current value to see if it is truly one of the greatest Restomod muscle cars ever built. And before we begin, hit that subscribe button and become part of our incredible community of automotive enthusiasts. The 1968 Dodge Charger was introduced as part of the second-generation Charger lineup, featuring a completely redesigned body, hidden headlights, and that famous Coke bottle shape that turned it into an instant classic. With powertrains ranging from the 225 cubic inch slant 6 to the 426 HEMI V8, it dominated the streets and racetracks. Over the years, countless restorations and modifications have been made to preserve and enhance its legacy. Among these, the RTR edition is one of the most radical and high-performance versions ever created. The RTR Ready to Rock Charger isn't just a simple restoration, it is a modernized masterpiece that fuses the timeless beauty of the 1968 model with state-of-the-art engineering. The chassis has been reinforced with lightweight carbon fiber, and the suspension is completely upgraded for maximum handling and stability. Under the hood, instead of the original V8, a supercharged Hellcat Red-Eye engine now produces an astonishing 1,000+ horsepower, making it a beast that rivals modern supercars. The 6-speed manual or automatic transmission options allow drivers to harness its monstrous power however they see fit. Inside, the RTR Charger is transformed into a luxurious yet aggressive cockpit. Premium leather and Alcantara line the seats, while a fully digital dashboard blends seamlessly with vintage-inspired gauges. The custom-built infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring that this classic isn't stuck in the past. Modern comforts such as climate control, racing-style bucket seats, and a premium sound system make every drive an exhilarating experience. For those looking to own this legendary Restomod, the price is as exclusive as the car itself. Depending on specifications and customizations, the RTR Charger can range from $250,000 to over $500,000, making it a rare collector's dream. So, is the 1968 Dodge Charger RTR the ultimate muscle car reborn? Would you choose it over a modern-day Hellcat? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more thrilling automotive content.